Start by getting your putty knife in between the back of the beads. Putty knives are really good for this because they have a point on one end and they're a very thin flat knife, so you can use it to lever the bead away from the frame. Slowly work your way along, loosening the bead, and then once you've got it loose enough you should be able to get your hands in there and pop the bead out. So that you can get the beads back in the right position, it's important you mark on where you got the bead from. Work your way around the frame, removing the window beads in the exact same way. Put your putty knife in behind the back of the bead, and then you want to lever off the frame to push the bead out. Always remove your top bead around your window last, because your top bead will actually hold the double glazed window unit in place. So as soon as you've removed this top bead, you need to be very aware that the window will now be loose in the frame. So always keep your double glazed window unit supported with your hand. You want to mark on again that that's the bead you got from the top, and then you want to somehow push the glass from the outside towards you at the top, and then the window should drop out into your hand. We've done another video showing you how to measure up for your replacement piece of glass. We're now going to show you how to fit your new double glazed window unit into the frame. When we lifted our double glazed window unit out, we found that it had actually been packed incorrectly. What they should have used are these pink bridging packers. The bridging packers ensure that the rest of the glazing packers sit flat in the UPVC window profile. The reason our old double glazed unit failed is probably because the packers that they put in didn't sit flat in the UPVC frame. So if we use these bridging packers and then we set our glazing packers on top, we're guaranteed that both panes of our double glazed window unit are supported, so it's less likely to fail over time. Always make sure you read the label on your double glazing and make sure that the right side of the glass is to the inside of the room. Sometimes they'll say you want to glaze one side to the inside, sometimes they'll have a sticker saying you need to glaze it to the outside. You may find that there's some side to side movement with your double glazed window unit within the frame. Before you put your beads back on, always make sure that your double glazed unit is in the centre of the UPVC window frame. Fit the top bead first. This ensures that the glass is held at the top and it's not likely to fall back towards you while you fit the rest of the beads. You want to slot your beads back into place within the UPVC frame, and then you want to use the rubber end of your hammer or a soft piece of plastic to knock the beads back into position. I always like to start at one corner to get the bead started and then work my way along, and you'll feel the bead when it snaps into place. So a few taps with the hammer and the bead should click into position. Now you should quickly be able to work round your double glazed window unit, locating the beads and knocking them into place. Once you've knocked all the beads back into place, you can give the frame a quick right round, remove the glazing sticker and make yourself a victory cup of tea.